Hello, welcome to our channel. Yeah.
Bit late for pumpkin, son, but you know what I mean.
That's Daddy. Ooh.
Yeah, and Daddy's making hard work of this.
Today is bonfire night. We're going to take you guys along. We are doing this pumpkin very late because we wasn't around doing Halloween. So we had to do it now. We have been so busy. This is few days after Halloween. We are doing pumpkin. Because we have already bought it, so we got to do it. We got to carve it and then we throw it away. Just to have it fun.
You laughing at Daddy?
Yeah. Mimi, look at what's going on under his lips. Wow. I don't know.
Wow.
Don't know what's that. Let's make a mess. Mimi, sit down. Come and make a mess with us. It's good. You've been lucky. You're still alive. You made it so easy. I don't know if it's the knife, but so easy. The way you cut it just made it so easy. May, what's wrong? You have to do pumpkin, May. Stop. Mason is the mood of mommy. Doesn't want anything else. I have to carry him here. He just woke up from sleep and just mommy. I don't know. May. You know the job. It's not good. We need to help Daddy. Mommy.
What's that, May?
Look at this. The way he's looking at the pup. Daddy, you meant to. Let's see what design Daddy's going to make. Daddy's making mess. She making Mimi, help. Do. Mason, do.
Mason, do.
Good boy. He's happy now. Good boy.
Gonna make a mess with Daddy. Mommy, clean it. Mommy, clean it.
Mommy, clean it. You make a mess. Mommy, clean it. Mommy, don't clean.
What does Mommy do then?
Mommy, look. Mommy, look. Mommy, record.
Do we make a...
Steven, don't make a mess. Don't move it.
Mason, do.
Mason, do.
Mason, do.
Can tell that he doesn't like to make mess. Jesus Christ, he's just such a clean boy. You're just far away doing it. Here we go, better. Looks like you are cooking. Wish pots.
Right, now Mummy and Mason need to get all of this out of the inside.
Let's get in there because you took out the easiest ones. Don't like this. I need a glove. Let me get another spoon. We got this one. This one will help me to take out all the maybe. Yeah, this one is helping. Yeah. That. I think. I want it. Ew. Hey, spiders.
There is one inside.
Stop it.
No, I'm being serious. I can see it.
Stop being ridiculous.
No, it's just there. It's just there. Look, just look there. Just look there.
Stop it. No spider in here.
Good boy. What's mommy doing? Yeah.
You're laughing at mommy. You're laughing at mommy.
Gonna make a mess with mommy.
Imagine today is bonfire night and we're doing pumpkin.
I know, good, isn't it?
Oh dear.
We're unique.
Yeah, we do our things in our own time.
What you got, May?
Don't put it back, May, please.
Oh, please.
Thumbnail. Sorry.
You hurt his fingers on that.
Oh, sorry. You don't want it. Let me kiss it. Better. So angry. You're not angry. I think we have done there.
Yeah.
Go for it.
I don't know how to do shush. Mason, give that mummy. Give it mummy.
I don't want. Stephen, no, please, no. Yucky. Yucky. Oh Lord, look at what Mason is doing. May, what are you doing? Daddy have taught you. Oh Lord, I could have put something on top of your clothes. Ooh, that looks nice. The difficult one is this zig zig zig. Ooh, that is making it different this time. I normally go for traditional one. Zig zig zig. Zigzag one. Oh, look at that. Wow, babe. You made it so easy. If I was the one doing this, oh, I struggle. Wow, babe. Made some kind of cheat.
Mummy's turn.
And then you do it inside teeth, inside. Am I going to do that?
Yeah, you're doing the eye.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Wait for me then. Wait for 20 hours later. May, please. Nice.
Just do one eye or two eyes, up to you.
I'm doing it out of the line. I'm sorry.
Do it in the lines.
Already did it. The first mark that the first one was out of the line, so I just continue. It's not that bad. Should I have to make a hole?
Yeah, ideally.
No, it wasn't bad.
He's unpacking your bag.
May, please.
Baby.
You taught him. Ah, no, don't eat it. No. Don't eat that, May.
Give it, mummy.
No, don't give it to me. I don't want. Thank you. I'm okay.
Mason, don't rub it around your mouth. No.
No. You already you're already infected in your mouth. No. Oh, that. Try your faces.
Give it here.
Wait.
Oh, look at that. When you give it your wife to do, look at it. Look at the eyes.
Why did you give it to me? I told you that I am very bad at it. Nice, fixing it.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. Don't have to say that. How are you going to do that? Okay. Never thought about that. Mason. Hey. mess. And too much cleaning now, especially with Mason. Look. Where is he? Look. Oh Lord. Like, what are you doing? And look, Mason, that's your socks. Oh, look at Mason. Oh Lord. No. Take off your socks. You're not going to the lounge with that socks. I'm sorry, you're not going to the lounge. No. Mommy says so. Listen to mommy. You are not going to the lounge with that sauce. No. Don't cut your fingers. Take off your socks and you can go. If not, you stay there. Listen to mommy for once.
Not very straight, is it?
No. But that's the scary thing, because they're never straight. Oh Lord, that looks cute. You did a good job though, except the eyebrow, but it's fine.
And the nose.
I'm the one now. Oh my God, could have took this to Mason's nursery and you be the winner.
Then you put a candle in, you'll see that.
Yeah. Okay guys, this is the end of our pumpkin carving. Alright, the end, and we will see you guys on our way to... Oh, wow, May. Wow. We will see you guys on our way to Bonfire night.
Mason, bye.
Mason wants to take my phone. So guys, I will see you guys later. Peace. Daddy said that he didn't do a good job, but I think he did a good job.
I'll give it a 3, 4 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah.
I will give it solid 6 to be honest, because I'm very terrible.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye guys. See you now where we're yeah. Mommy's recording. Yeah. I can't see. We are on our way to Bonfire night. Yes. We're going to see. Yeah. Show my love. Oh, I can't see you. Going to see your reaction. Yeah. Good boy. He's like pointing at the other one like lights. Yo. This one. Yo. My hand cannot reach this, darling. Hey, Mason. On our way to Bonfire night. Yeah, this is our first Bonfire night together as a family. We have done our pumpkin together as a family as well. Now I'm not showing you guys my face because you can't see me, and we are all dark here. Oh, thank you, baby. If not, you only see my face. It's too white. You see only my feet and my eyes. So we're on our way to our Bonfire night to have fun as a family. Yes, I'm loving it. Probably not going to get where to park, but we're going to park like far away from the place, and then we walk ourselves to the place because thousands of people are coming there. So we're not going to have any space. Yes. So I will see you guys. We will there. Yes, on our way there when we park our car, and then on our way, or maybe when we are just there, because I might be on hurry. People are just putting on their own private one. We have ours, but I insist. I told Steven, like, we need to save it for New Year. We need to go to the main one. I want to see it. And yeah, because this is my first time seeing Bonfire night in UK, and this is my first time seeing it, and first time going with family.
Mason's first time.
Exactly. It's like beautiful, perfect.
It's been years since I last went to a presentation.
Yeah, me too. It has been years as well. Last time I went was years when I was living with my dad. So imagine when. Years. So stay tuned with us and we'll see you guys later. We're going to enjoy this night. This is the city. The city is very busy. It's busy today. No, a lot of people outside going the same place. A lot of cars. Look at that. Boom. Ready.
There's a seafront, there's a pool.
Oh wow, there's a boat.
Yeah.
People are doing boat party there.
There's an outdoor swimming pool down this way as well.
Oh wow. This is Plymouth seafront. During the night you can't see it, but you can see it. But yes. Waiting, look at the fire. Yes, baby. We are finally here. Oh, 20 minutes, baby. We have to wait for 20 minutes. Are we staying here or should we go closer?
You can walk closer.
Waiting for the fire. Waiting. We waiting. Yeah. Oh, I can see it.
Hey, man. Boy.
Waiting.
Nearly time.
Waiting. Oh, Lala. That was cool.
You can tell the hours how high they go.
Yeah.
We'll do another one in a minute. That went high.
Sparkling. Stars.
Lex, are you watching?
What's it good? What's the light? Yeah. Let's just get your hand out of the way, I can't see it now.
Oh. We're getting heavy. You.
Yeah, I was watching Mason.
Yeah. Oh.
Brings my memories, doesn't it?
That
about
place.
half an hour, apparently.
Here we go.
Yeah. That's the ones that make me jump, eh?
That's beautiful. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's what I like.
Now I'll do some little ones.
They have been teasing me. Oh.
See your face. You see the face at the top? It's
No.
like a mouse face.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. One more.
Yes, yeah. I hold it if you want.
No, that's fine.
That's gotta be it.
Yeah.
Is that good, mate?
That's beautiful. That's lovely. And time to go home. See you guys later. Bye bye. Make me look. I made you look. Hey, well, hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Oh, hey, oh, copyright. Bye. And we are back. And mom is going to do her own bonfire night in my own house.
Mason, what's more you got?
Don't do this at home. Why are you running? It's not that scary. Give me, let me light it. Go on.
Is it, you know, is it not?
No, you have to wait until it starts sparkling. That's when you stop. You take it to its time. Leave it there. Yeah, here we go.
See, it always makes me jump. Stay away from it.
It makes you...
Yeah. It always does. You know, like when I was working in like for doing cleaning the ovens and everything, if they spark something,
Yeah.
it always made me jump as soon as it goes.
It's not here, babe. Don't worry. Here
See?
we go. We're back.
I'm fine with it now.
My husband is scared.
Mate, what's that?
Mimi, look. Mimi's
Oh,
scared.
that's a bit close. He's like, Mum, it's a bit close.
Mimi, where are you going to?
God, it stinks.
I could wear my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton. Doesn't do anything. Look, even nothing. But touch this is so hot. Doesn't. Look. That makes me live. Don't do this at home. Do it outside. For your safety. Don't be like Francis. I can wear my Louis Vuitton. I can wear my Louis Vuitton. And that makes me live. That's me doing my bonfire night in my house. Done. Peace off. See you guys. Say bye bye. Listen, say bye bye. Let me bring you guys closer. Alright. We are back home. We love our outing. Our mini family time. Bonfire night. Do you enjoy it, son? Yeah, he did. Did you enjoy it? Yeah? Alright, guys. See you guys in our next video.
Bye.
Like, subscribe, and share. Pardon the mess in my house. It doesn't normally look like this, but
It looks worse.
and yeah, if you know anything, comment below about Mason is having a reaction under his mouth. Any suggestion on what this is? I don't know. I don't know if he's allergic or something, but anyway, I'm going to take him to the doctors. Ring his doctor to see what's wrong, because you can't be going out like this. Don't know what allergic is that. Yeah, tell them. Yeah.
Excited.
This one for New Year. Yeah, that's long. Bye guys, see you guys in our next video. Like, subscribe and share. It was lovely and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pardon the mess in my kitchen. It don't normally look like this. Bye.